Alright guys, we're back. Luckily the camera is fine and the Vilta survived. So now we've got these pieces all ready to go. And we can just put them together. Like that. Yeah, that should work. So now that we know that it works, we could put the we could cut one of these bits here. One like that. Let's try doing roughly the same size. Eyeballing it. Okay. Let's try that again. So let's put this in first. So this should be nice and easy to go in through there. And this one on this one. Like that. Let's make sure all the metal bits are straight. And let's connect that one on here. Now this is not going to be a professional job, but it's going to be just fine for what I'm using it for. And that's all that I need. So, okay, so we'll just put this down like this temporarily. And we'll put a little bit of solder on it to make it a little bit more permanent than it would be in its current state. And again, this is a very old soldering iron, so it doesn't really do a fantastic job of anything, really. Just give it a little bit of a It's a Friday night, it's a small town, you rule the world. Hopefully that'll do. Again, not the best soldering job. Jam it in there. But it's better to have those wires covered up. There. That's what I want. I want the wires to be nice and covered up. Like that, at the very least. We'll stop the chances of fires starting. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Got a little bit long.